Hi guys, welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. Hope you are doing well. Today we're going to make spicy honey chicken wings. So these are the ingredients required. Ingredients shown now is for the marination. And then these ingredients is for the honey glaze. Let's get started. So now I took about 6 chicken wings and drumstick here. I'm using a fork to poke all the chicken so it will be nicely marinated. Okay, I'm adding about half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And then will be 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. And then will be 1 teaspoon of pepper. Some salt to taste. And 1 lime. Mix it nicely. Make sure all the chicken pieces are coated well. And I'm adding last will be 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Then mix it nicely. And then we're going to rest the chicken for about 4 hours. Even you can leave it for overnight, that will be more delicious actually. So now we're going to fry the chicken. To deep fry the chicken, let's add oil to the pan and fry the chicken until they are golden brown. Yeah, they are well cooked now. Let me remove the chicken from the oil and cook the rest of the balanced chicken. So now we are done frying all the chicken. So in a new pan, let's prepare the glaze now. I'm going to add the same oil which we fried the chicken. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of garlic to the oil. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of spring onion. Spring onion gives a very nice flavor to the chicken, so try not to skip the spring onion. Then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of chili powder and some pepper to taste. If you don't like too spicy, you can skip the pepper. Now it's time to add our soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it well. Then you can add about 2 tablespoons of honey. If you like your chicken to be more sweet, you can add extra honey. And then we can add our fried chicken. Mix the chicken well in the sauce. Make sure all the chicken are coated well. It's almost done. It's ready to serve. The chicken really looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below. I will see you in my next recipe. Bye.